What's up guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope it is in good, but better watching this video. So today we will be discussing about top 7 world's most strangest places to visit. And also this is episode 1 of Strangest videos. So I will be posting a lot of videos related to strange and scary things. So don't forget to be notified. So if you want to be notified, you have to subscribe to my channel, like this video and turn on your post notifications. And without further ado, let's get started. Some of the most strangest places worldwide. Number 1. Bermuda Triangle. What secrets lurk in the triangle of the ocean between Florida's southern tip, Bermuda, and San Juan, Puerto Rico? The Bermuda Triangle is said to be the gobble of mysterious disappearances cited by believers weren't mysterious at all, but occurred during storms or didn't sink within the triangle's borders. Second one, Lost City of Atlantis. It can be one of the weirdest places on the earth if no one knows about where it is and it's actually just a legend. Let's go with yes. After all, many people are convinced that they are really peaceful utopia that sunk beneath the sea in time. Immemorial. And they've tried to pinpoint it all and spots all over the world. Even Google Earth once fed with a legend with the Dola glitch that created a grid-like pattern on the ocean floor. Keen-eyed observers speculated that it might be the lost states of the Atlantis. Number 3. The Great Pyramids of Giza. The trio of pyramids of Giza is so familiar that it can be easy to forget how unusual they really are. The pyramids of Khufu was built between 2589 BC and 2504 BC and reached the height of 481 feet, which is 146 meters high. Now consider this. Khufu's pyramid remained as the tallest building in the world until the 14th century when England's Lincoln Cathedral took the record. Number 4. The Nazca Line. Atlantis may be a legend, but these mysterious Nazca lines are actually real. The enormous geoglyphs in arid coastal Peru depict spiders, monkeys, plants, and other figures. They date back to about 500 BC, but are best appreciated by air. No one knows why the prehistoric Nazca culture went through the efforts of making the geoglyphs. Though they may have had a ritual or they have linked up to constellations in the sky. The 5th strangest place is the Loch Ness. Beautiful Loch Ness may be notable even without the monster sightings that made it a global name. The lake, which is the Scottish Highland, is the largest Scottish loch by volume. It gets as deep as if it's 155 feet, 250 meters, and has a surface area of 21.8 square miles, which is 56.4 square kilometers. Number 6. The Stonehenge. What was the purpose of this ancient icon? A burial ground? A UFO landing site? The answer is the farmers and herders who built this structure starting 5,000 years ago constituted to add it over to a period of 700 years. They left with no writing records behind, only a circle of striking stones near what is today seriously in England. The last one, which is the Easter Island. The giant carvings on Easter Island are up to 40 feet tall. There are about 1,000 of them and their torsos are buried in the ground, leaving only human-like faces above the ground. It remains a mystery how they were moved into that place, but no one leading theory is that they were walked from quarries on stone platforms.